Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will be studying another letter of Arabic alphabet. It is called Kaaf. It is called Kaaf, and the sound is ak. So it's the second part of ak. So if you connect the first Hamza Fatha with it as ak, ak. Okay. What is the makhraj? So it is one of the tongue letters, lisan letters, and its articulation point is the deepest part of the tongue, okay, towards the mouth, and what lies opposite to it of the mouth. That's the still a soft palate or near the hard palate. Okay, so let's see, explain that now. Okay, so the deepest part of the tongue, if we have, this is the deepest part of the tongue, we divide this into two. So this side is towards the at the throat, and this side is towards the mouth or towards the teeth. So we will be using this side, and this is going to touch what is opposite to it of the roof of the mouth, which is the soft palate, but towards the hard palate. Okay, so if you see here again, if you divide into two, the deepest part, the part which is closer to the teeth, that will be used to touch what is opposite to it of the roof of the mouth, okay, of the soft palate, and it's towards the hard palate. The Qaaf was just down there, and the Kaaf is a bit upper. You can see here, and soft palate touching here. Okay, so this is the articulation point for Kaaf, or the sound ak, ak. Okay, let me go to the 3D model and explain it there. Okay, see, that's the tongue. So that's, we have the deepest part of the tongue. This part, this side is towards the mouth or towards the teeth, so that will be touching what is opposite to it, the soft palate. Okay, what is opposite the soft palate will be touching the opposite of the deepest part of the tongue. So that's the articulation point for Kaaf or ak. Kaaf, or the sound is ak, ak. Okay, going back to slides. So is it a heavy or light letter? It is one of the light letters, because when we are pronouncing it, our mouth or the lips remain in the state of flatness, or as if we are going to start smiling. For example, Kaaf, Kaaf, ak, ak, Kaaf, ak. Okay, so is it a connector or non-connector? It is one of the connectors. It is one of the connector letters, because if you see its connecting forms that fulfill the condition of being a connector. See here, if it is the beginning of a word, you can connect all the letters with it after it, and if it is in the middle of the word, then you can connect other letters with it before or after. And if you see, if it's at the end of the word, then you can connect other letters with it before. Okay, so it's fulfilling all the condition of being a connector, hence it is a connector. Writing, how to write it. See, it is written with 2 strokes. Okay, okay, let's explain that. First stroke is a vertical downward stroke, followed by a horizontal extension to the left with a slightly upward curve at the end. Okay, and it stays on the rest on the line and not below the line. Okay, so the first part is like this. Okay, that's the first part. The second stroke is like stretched S. It's like this. Okay, it's like this. you will see you can have different forms of writing. So that's one form of writing, and you can see if they are in different state, you can write differently as well. Okay, let me write it down. You can start like this, and then you can put another bar connected like this. Okay, so that's Kaaf, or you can start it like this as well. So both ways acceptable. You start it like this and then connect, or you start with the bar and then connect it downwards. So that's okay. Next one is like this. Okay, or then last one is as if it's in the end. Okay, so maybe sometimes you will see like this as well at the end, some cases. Okay, because it is connector, so you can connect them. Okay, it's probably better green one. Okay, different forms. Okay, so what is the English equivalent for Kaaf? It is K, and that's representation in English equivalent. What is a transliteration? What is the representation for transliteration purposes? It is K. So we're using the K sign for to represent Kaaf in text of Arabic. So this is the end of this session. We will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.